Hello friends, welcome to our channel Anant Infinite Knowledge. Today's our word root is anthropo, which means human. Our first word is anthropology, which means the study of human societies, customs and beliefs. For example, someone who studies anthropology is called an anthropologist. Remember this word by relating this picture here, an anthropologist analyzing the society. Our next word is anthropomorphism, means considering something such as a god, animal, or object as having human features or qualities. For example, the word anthropomorphism is a modern coinage. Remember this word by relating this picture. Here, animals are playing badminton. Our next word is misanthrope, which means someone who dislikes people and avoids social situations. For example, my aunt is a misanthrope who will not even talk to the member of her own family. Remember this word by relating this picture. Here, man is a misanthrope. Our next word is philanthropist, which means someone who believes in helping people, especially by giving money to those who need it. For example, the trust was founded by an Indian philanthropist. Remember this word by relating this picture here, the most famous philanthropist. Our next word root is artho, which means joint. Our next word is arthroscopy, which means a tool to see inside a joint. For example, with arthroscopic washings of the bone, one can often identify the exact location of the punctate bleeding. Remember this word by relating this picture. Here, doctor is analyzing the knee joint. Our next word is arthritis, which means a medical condition affecting your joints. For example, I have severe arthritis in my hands. Remember this word by relating this picture. Here, person having inflammation in the knee as well as in the hand. Our next word is arthropod, which means invertebrates, animal having an exoskeleton, a segmented body and paired jointed appendages. For example, arthropod infestations are very common. Remember this word by relating this picture. Here, bee, ladybug, butterfly, dragonfly, beetle, crab belong to this category. Our next word root is arbor, which means tree. Our next word is arborist, which means someone working with tree, a tree surgeon. For example, he sought advice from an arborist who said the roots must be in poor condition. Remember this word by relating this picture. Here, arborist is cutting the specific part of tree for proper shape. Our next word is arbor, which means a shady area formed by trees. For example, I strolled into the arbor. Remember this word by relating this picture. Here, shady tunnel formed by trees. Our next word is arborous, which means of or relating to or formed by trees, having many trees. For example, the environment provides an arboreous and terrestrial habitat for langurs as well as meeting the needs of their folivorous diet. Remember this word by relating this picture.